I haven't done a Medium article or a video for quite a while now. Been busy on other things, but I have also been experimenting with some large language models, open source models, and I have an NVIDIA 4060 Ti graphics card in here, and I'm running a, a large language model called Wizard Vicuna 13B Uncensored, uh, using the quantized 6 underscore K model, GGUF. That'll mean something to some of you. I can explain later. So I've set up the model and I've already started a conversation with it because there's a lot of delays. So I'll just sort of repeat the conversation and its response back. That should help. So it starts out by saying the following.
How can I help you today?
Well, I would ask it, hi, tell me what transhumanism is.
Transhumanism is a philosophical movement that advocates for using technology to enhance human abilities beyond their natural limits. It seeks to overcome the limitations of biology through technological advancements in areas such as genetics, nanotechnology, and robotics. The ultimate goal of transhumanism is to enable humans to achieve godlike powers and abilities, leading to an evolutionary transformation of humanity itself.
Okay, what are the risks of transhumanism to humanity?
There are several potential risks associated with transhumanism. One major concern is that it could lead to a widening gap between the haves and have-nots, as only those who can afford expensive technological enhancements would be able to benefit from them. Additionally, there is a risk of unintended consequences resulting from tinkering with human biology or introducing new forms of technology into our bodies. Finally, some argue that transhumanism could threaten our sense of what it means to be human and undermine the value of our natural abilities and limitations.
Okay, what are the possible benefits of transhumanism? To be fair.
The potential benefits of transhumanism include extending lifespans, improving cognitive abilities such as memory and processing speed, enhancing physical abilities like strength or endurance, and even allowing humans to colonize other planets. Some proponents also argue that transhumanism could lead to greater social equality by providing access to technological enhancements for everyone. However, these benefits are still largely theoretical and would require significant advances in technology before they become reality.
Okay. How would transhumanism affect future humanity? And it misspelled it, theorize.
The effects of transhumanism on the future of humanity are difficult to predict with certainty, but it is likely that we will see significant changes in how we live and interact with each other. Some experts believe that transhumanism could lead to a new form of humanity altogether, as our abilities and limitations become increasingly defined by technology rather than biology. Others argue that these technological enhancements would simply be another tool for us to use in achieving our goals without fundamentally changing who we are as humans. Ultimately, the impact of transhumanism on future humanity will depend on how it is developed and implemented over time.
Okay. And so thank you very much, Uncensored AI, for answering honestly. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure to help.
Um, I'm using Whisper ST to record my voice. And then I'm using Celero TTS. These are extensions for doing text to speech, and so you can program a different voice in, um, and so on these things I've set these extensions, and again the model is this, and I've loaded it into the GPU layers. I have a number of different models I'll show you here that I've been experimenting with to see which one gives a good response. I found this Wizard Vicuna 13B Uncensored to be very good. And that's just about it. I hope you enjoyed the video.